Yeah, man, everybody, you don't know, say, country life sweet. So you don't know, say, all the morning on the countryside, see me go take a walk, early morning walk. I take a chat in the hills, you know, the hills and valley. So this lane is the pump house lane. Yeah, most people use it for exercise, help build up a fitness level and stuff, you know. So right up there, you have the reservoir. It supply most of St. Elizabeth with water, okay? So right there, we have the reservoir out there. Nothing sweet like the country life in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Early morning, don't know, see there, coconut. Drink one of them coconut in the morning, you know, say you wash off your heart, clean, purify your heart and everything, you know. So coconut again, once more. Early morning walking at St. Elizabeth. Right there, that's a mixed breed red pole. Yeah, this is how we do it in the morning. I have to make sure we check out the animal and make sure everything is alright and we'll take care of them and stuff for it. That's a mixed breed right here, red pole. Yeah, this is one of my farm. This is where I raise my cows and stuff. So it's a very dry season right now, so it's kind of hard to get some like feeding for them and stuff like. So we have to like give them some bag feeders and stuff. So it's very hard during this dry weather and stuff. You just have to keep doing what we're doing. Sometimes we cut grass and stuff and make sure they have something to eat. Nothing like an early walk on the farm. Nothing like that. Have to make sure that the animal them alright and thing. So doing the early morning walk, it's very important for us to also give us some level of fitness. So it's a joy. It's a joy. Happily, look at those kids. They're very happy at the moment. Early morning walk on the farm. Trust me, life in St. Elizabeth is so sweet. You need to enjoy the country life. You can do it. We grow like everything in St. Elizabeth. Everything, you know, so them here is some okra. People call it different name in other countries like ladyfingers and stuff for it. So we have okra right here. Everything is more like an organic, no chemical. So we kind of practice it that way there. For make you live look longer and stuff for it. Don't want too much chemical in our body and stuff for it. So more like we do with the organic. We have okra right there. A lot of okra trees right there. Organic, no chemical. Too much chemical is not good for the body. So we practice the right way. Right there, that is a soursop tree. You don't know, so them say soursop good for your nerves and a lot of things. And they say good for cancer and stuff for it. So trust me, every other day we make sure we make a cup of soursop leaf tea. Good for the body and it relax the nerve. So we have everything in our country we want. Everything. See there? That is a soursop tree, right? Soursop tree, also we have mango tree. So we have to survive in the country in every way. This is a street, them place where we born and grow. Nice place. See it there? That's the called an ackee tree right there. So you don't know people of them Jamaican ackee. You don't know say a national dish that and stuff, you know. So that's the ackee tree right there. So most of them streets you walk when you go up on the farm more times. It's a long journey. Very long journey and stuff. Very long journey. Nice breeze and everything. Trust me, nothing can beat the country life. Nothing like the country life, free from everything. Just be a fun in the country. Do anything we want to do. Lot of fruit trees and stuff. It's a very nice place. Just visit the countryside in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Yeah. Just reached by the pumpkin farm right now. That's a nice pumpkin right there. Nice pumpkin right there. So we love farming in St. Elizabeth. You like it a lot. This is the pumpkin crop right here. But it's not good to survive in the dry weather doing it. It's very, very hard for the crops and stuff. It's not good to survive. Look right here. This is a massive pumpkin right here. Well, this is the second crop of the pumpkin and stuff. It's bare one time already and it's like it's giving us a second. So still have to give Father God thanks. So we have everything in our country. Right here we have a lime tree right there. Trust me, from hear about the virus in the place and stuff for it, I tell us no lime can live on the tree. Everybody like picking off the limes and stuff like just to make sure them safe from this virus that taking over the whole of the country and stuff for it. So everybody come pick them 1 and 2 lime now and then and mix up them with them tea, them garlic and them ginger. You know, so they say that good for the virus so when they mix a tea for it, you know. So right there is a lime tree right there. This is how we do it in the early morning. I pick some breadfruit, we go roast later with some saltfish. Same way I do it, just like that, you know. Let's see how we roast some breadfruit in the early morning. Nothing can beat the country life here to the people. Nothing. Early morning breadfruit. All the fireman alone can do this now, you know. You have to be careful with the fire. So we do it in Jamaica, St. Elizabeth. On the fire side in the early morning, St. Elizabeth. There are some breadfruit. Trust me, see country life, you can't beat the country life. So in the early morning there was some breadfruit. When we finish, I look some ackee and saltfish. Jamaican style. So we are doing, you know. Can't make it burn too much. Can't make it burn too much because you're not gonna have the flavor in it. So we just do it nice and clean.